Hi everyone, it's Wendy. Welcome back to my channel, Simply Wendy. Today we're going to be making a small batch of pickled hot peppers that take no time to make and will last for months in the fridge. Let's get to it. I wanted to show you my pepper plants. They are supposed to be Fresno green chili pepper plants, but I actually think they're Hungarian hot wax pepper plants. As you can see, they are yellow, and that's typical of a wax pepper plant. And they are still growing, as you can see by the flowers. I just picked a ½ pound off of these plants, which is why we're making pickled peppers today. Before we even begin slicing our peppers, we need to wear gloves. This is very important because the juice from the pepper is extremely hot. It will burn your skin. If you touch your face or your eyes, disaster. Please wear gloves. When you slice your peppers, you can either leave the membrane in along with the seeds, or you can take them out. These peppers are kind of small. I'm going to leave the membranes in along with the seeds. The membranes and the seeds, if you keep them in, that will give you more of a hot pepper. Taking the membranes and seeds out will make it give it a more mild taste. So we're going to keep the membranes in for this recipe. You can do what you want. So tell me, what do you like? Are you more of a milder hot, or do you like them spicy hot? So when you slice, I would keep them at a thickness like this. This is a pretty good thickness for the sliced peppers. So here we go. Now that we have our hot peppers cut up, I decided to add, this is a pepper from my garden. It's supposed to be a yellow pepper, but it turned kind of orange and green. I thought it looked kind of cool. So I'm gonna cut this up into strips like this and just add them to the bowl. Just thought it would give it a nice touch of color. Now we're going to put the peppers in a jar, but first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. This is 2 cloves of garlic that I crushed. And now we will just add our peppers. I'm going to use my canning funnel to do this so they don't spill out all over the counter. Now I'm going to take my spoon, or I don't even have a spoon with all my gloves on. I can just kind of pack them down. Use my spoon after all. Looks like I'm going to have a little bit left over. That's okay. I can figure out how to use them in dinner tonight. Just pack them down in there like that. And the next thing I'm going to do is get our pickling mixture together. I'm adding 1 cup of water, and I'm adding 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use regular white distilled vinegar, but I like the taste that the apple cider vinegar gives. And 2 tablespoons of honey. So you're going to have kind of a sweet and spicy taste to this mixture. Okay. And a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to take the pan and we're going to just kind of simmer it on the stove until all of the honey is dissolved. Once our pickling mixture is heated and the honey is dissolved, we're going to pour it into our jar. You want to make sure that all the peppers are covered with the liquid. And I've made a little bit too much pickling mixture, but I can use that for something else. Here we go. See if I can show this to you. Okay, so you see at the top how all of the peppers are covered. Now we're just going to wait until our peppers come to, I guess, room temp before we put them in the refrigerator. I'm going to cover them with a lid. And when they cool down, I'll put them in the refrigerator and have them for a few months to use as I please. One thing I forgot to mention is when you put your peppers in the refrigerator, keep them there for about 3 days before you use them. That will give the pickling juice time to do what it needs to do so you get that good pickled hot pepper flavor. Thanks for joining me. Hot pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of what? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. I got it. Whew. How Peter Piper picked a pick up. I'm not going to get this. I'm just not going to get it. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comments section below and share this video with your friends. I've added a link to the recipe in the description below. See you next time on Simply Wendy Live, Love, Bake.